Let's take a look at the Soul F85, one of our elite in-home treadmills. With a space-saving design, it's been called the strongest folding treadmill on the planet. It couples our ultra-durable double horseshoe welded steel deck with our Cushion Flex Whisper Deck suspension system that reduces impact up to 40%, and it's propelled by the most powerful motor we offer. And when you're done, our Easy Assist folding design makes it simple to fold up and roll out of the way. With the push of a button, you can take a run designed by fitness experts to help you burn fat, boost cardio, or improve endurance. Handle-mounted buttons help you stay in control, and the large, colorful screen keeps you focused on your goals. The redesigned console has extra features to keep you energized, refreshed, and hydrated. Use the built-in Bluetooth to connect your smartphone or tablet to track your workouts over time and upload them to many of the top fitness apps. And because it's built by Soul, you can trust it for years of fitness. Get the full list of features, specifications, and more at our website. Then experience the extraordinary build and performance of the Soul F85.
Introducing the ProGear HCXL 4000 walking and jogging treadmill with heart monitoring, an electric treadmill for high-capacity user weight. We all know that walking or jogging is a great way to stay fit, but standing in line at the health club or jogging in bad weather is not ideal. With the ProGear's HCXL 4000, you'll have a treadmill that's comparable to any commercial gym's machine, but this one is right in your own home. Check out the features of the ProGear HCXL 4000. First of all, it's easy to set up and store. See how it folds and rolls. Now let's get on and get started. Its extra-wide belt at 20 inches and 1.5 horsepower high torque motor makes using the HCXL 4000 safe and easy. The treadmill deck is low to the ground, so getting on and off is easy and safe. There are also 2 incline adjustments to make your workout more or less challenging. The motorized speed adjusts to 1/10 mile increments, allowing you to walk leisurely or achieve a vigorous jog at 4 miles per hour. This is perfect for staying in shape, losing body fat, toning, and having an overall sense of well-being. The motor utilizes quiet drive, which makes the HCXL 4000 so quiet you can watch TV, listen to music, or talk on the phone while working out. Monitor your heart rate using these heart rate sensors. You can see it on the LCD located on the front of the handlebars. You can also see lapsed time, distance traveled, calories burned, and your speed. These extended length handlebars are for safety and balance. They are padded with soft foam for added comfort. You can control the speed of the treadmill belt by using the easy-to-reach speed buttons. The reinforced steel frame supports up to an astounding 400 pounds. The HCXL 4000 can take the punishment. The 44-inch deck makes the treadmill convenient for taller users. Making it easier for you, the ProGear HCXL 4000 comes almost ready to use right out of the box. You only need to attach the computer and you are ready to go. Finished with your workout on the ProGear HCXL 4000? Just fold it up and wheel it to wherever you want. Studies show a 2-mile daily walk achieves the same results as an intense exercise routine. So bring it home. ProGear. Stay fit and spend less.
Introducing the Exerpeutic TF1000 Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill from Paradigm Health and Wellness. We know you want to get started on your healthy and fit lifestyle right away, so our Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill comes virtually assembled right out of the box. Simply attach the LCD computer monitor panel and you're ready to get started. Treadmill fitness walking has been proven to be an effective way to get fit. Here's what you can expect from the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is a heavy-duty treadmill. It's designed to accommodate up to 400 pounds of user weight with wide side rails and a heavy-duty steel frame. The treadmill belt is 20 inches wide, similar to commercial fitness club-size treadmills. The 18-inch extra-long safety handles are more than 2 times longer than typical treadmill handles, so no reaching is necessary to secure yourself. No more losing your balance on a treadmill. Getting on and getting off is very easy and safe. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill has a 2-position manual incline feature where you can adjust the incline position very easily to change the intensity level of your workout. Burning more calories and gaining more strength is easy when you're on Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill also comes with a smart computer with an LCD display featuring functions of elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, and speed. Easy-to-use speed control buttons on the handlebar allow you to adjust from 1/10 of a mile per hour to up to 4 miles per hour for a vigorous fitness walking workout. An on-off switch is right on the handlebar for easy access when your workout is finished. Plus, there's a pulse monitor where you can measure and check your target heart rate anytime and stay within your target heart rate zone. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is powered with a 1.5 horsepower high-torque motor, which utilizes quiet drive, so you can watch TV or listen to music while walking with no interference. And more, the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is easy to fold and store with a hydraulic shock absorber and transportation wheels for relocating the treadmill. It is built to last. Our 5-year limited warranty on the motor and a 1-year limited warranty on the frame means that you can buy with confidence and you can get healthy and fit with your Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill for many years to come.
Get started and get your walk on with the SFT7643 heavy-duty walking treadmill. Walking can improve body weight, strengthen muscles, bones, and much more. Solid frame design is built to handle weights up to 350 pounds. Big treadmill deck gives the freedom to walk naturally. Integrated shock-absorbing bumpers will lighten the impact on the joints with every step. Powerful motor allows you to walk or jog up to 6 miles per hour. The big button controls are designed to make adjustments quickly and easy to read. Backlit digital monitor will track your progress. Stay connected with the big integrated tablet holder. Convenient transportation wheels and foldability for simple storage. Start burning big calories and receiving big fitness results with the SFT7643 heavy-duty treadmill.
Upgrade your run with Lifespan's new line of 2019 treadmills. With our interactive touchscreen display, starting your workout has never been easier. Simply pick a preset program based on your fitness goals, or easily create a personal roadmap with our Quick Draw technology, customizing your incline levels and speed changes with the swipe of a finger. Tap through multiple engaging dashboard screens to view the exact feedback you want. Built-in Bluetooth allows you to play your music, monitor your heart rate, and sync results after your workout. Whether you're training for your first 5K or your next marathon, make the most of it with features that drive you.